Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time on your Samsung device. Many people might not know that it's possible to use both features simultaneously, which allows you to connect multiple devices or share your internet connection with others. To start, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone and tap Connections. Then select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Turn on the mobile hotspot by toggling the switch. With mobile hotspot enabled, you can customize the settings by tapping on it. Then selecting Configure. Here you can modify the network name, password, ban, and security settings. Next, tap on Advanced. Scroll down and look for the Wi-Fi sharing option. Switch it on by toggling the button. Tap OK, then press Save to apply the changes and close the menu. Now, you can use both the Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot at the same time on your Samsung device. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.